Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to solve this problem for the values of c if we have c plus 2 to the power of 6 and its whole square root is equals to 2 to the power of 6, and we solve this problem for all the values of c. I hope you like this method, but if you have another method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. Now here the very first step we are going to do is, here first we need to write this uh, radical term into the exponential form. For this we write it as c plus 2 to the power of 6 and its whole power is 1 over 2 is equals to 2 to the power of 6. And here we use the nice exponent law. You know that if you have a to the power of m to the power of n, it is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by n. So according to this exponent law, here we in the left hand side we will just multiply these two exponents and it will be written as in this form. So we have c plus 2 to the power of 6 multiplied by 1 over 2 equals to, this is 2 to the power of 6 and we break this 6 as 2 multiplied by 3. And here we need some simplifications and it will be written as c plus 2 to the power of 3. These are cancelled by each other, 2 3s are 6, and here we move this 2 inside the term and it will be written as 2 square and its whole cubed. And now you see here we get c plus 2 cubed is equals to this 2 square becomes 4 and its whole cubed. Now you see here this equation will becomes a cubic form, so that first we move this 4 cubed in the left hand side and it will be written as c plus 2 whole cubed minus 4 cubed, and this is equals to 0. And here you see that this is the base is our a and a is equals to c plus 2 and our b is equals to 4. So here we can apply the cubic formula. If we have a cubed minus b cubed, it is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So according to this cubic formula, here you see that in the above equation we have the value of a is c plus 2 and b is 4. We put these two values of a and b in the right hand side of this equation, so it will be written as, first you have a minus b, the value of a is c plus 2 minus the value of b is 4 into, again we have a square, a is c plus 2 square plus ab, again our a is c plus 2 and b is 4 and plus b square, so b is 4 square and this whole equation equals to 0. And now here we need more simplifications and we will get here, this is c minus 2, this is minus 2 plus 2 minus 4 becomes minus 2 into, here we need to expand the formula of this term and it will be written as c square plus 4 plus 4c and plus, here we need to multiply this 4 on both of these values and it will becomes 4c plus 8 and this 4 square equals to 16 and this whole equation equals to 0. And now here we need more simplifications and it will be written as c minus 2 times of c square plus 4c plus 4c equals to 8c and 4 plus 8 plus 16 is equals to 28 and this whole equation equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need to divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write c minus 2 equals to 0 and the second case is we write c square plus 8c plus 28 equals to 0. So from this case we easily get the value of c is equals to 2, and from this case you see here this is the quadratic equation in c variable, and now here we need to solve this quadratic equation for the values of c. So you know that there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. The first method is factorization method, the second method is completing square, and the third method is by applying the quadratic formula. So that here in this question I can just applying the quadratic formula to solve this problem. For this, first we need to write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to 8, and c equals to 28. And we state the quadratic formula as c equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is our quadratic formula, and now here we need to put the values of a, b and c here, and the value of b is minus 8 plus minus square root of b square. B is 8 square minus 4 times of a equals to 1, and c equals to 28, and it is divided by 2 times of a. So here our value of a equals to 1. So that here we need more simplifications, and we obtain c is equals to minus 8 plus minus, this is square root of 8 square, and 8 square equals to 64 minus 4 times of 28 equals to 112, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 equals to 2. So here for the values of c we need more simplifications here, and it will be written as so we have c is equals to minus 8 plus minus square root of 64 minus 112 equals to minus 48, and it is divided by 2. And now here first we need to separate the square root of this negative sign and 48 and it will be written as minus 8 plus minus, this is square root of 48 into square root of minus 1, and it is divided by 2. And here we write this 48 as 16 times of 3, and we know that square root of minus 1 equals to iota, and it is divided by 2. And here we break the square root, and we can write the square root separately on both of these values, and it will be written as plus minus square root of 16 into square root of 3, and it is divided by 2 into iota. So here we know that square root of 16 is equals to 4. So we obtain here c is equals to minus 8 plus minus square root of 16 equals to 4 into square root of 3, and here we break this fraction, and we can just write these two separately on both of these values, and here we have this is iota. So we cancel these terms, this is 2 4s are 8, we get c equals to minus 4 plus minus, this is 2 times of 2 is 4, we get 2 times of square root of 3 into iota. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation, and we have c equals to 2 be the only one real root of the given equation. So this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.